Today I'm going to grease up this max prop of ours so that I don't have to do it for about a year. I'm gonna change the zinc and access these grease nipples here. Just gonna spray it with a bit of WD, make my life a little easier for when I have to loosen all these. All right, just for fun. Doesn't look all that bad, but we're already out of the water, so we might as well change it. To be honest, it doesn't make sense to not change it and have a brand new one. We can keep this one because it's not even close to its 50% limit, I don't think. Alright, got it all cleaned up. Man, I'm shaky today. I think I had too much coffee this morning. Perfect. Made sure all the cotter pins were down. Actually, I still got a bit of a gap at the bottom. Might be able to suck it in, I'll have to see.